Okay, part two, boat anchor here with the radio. I just got it fixed. All kinds of crap. The pre-driver right there, it's good, but I took it off the mobile board and put it in here. That wasn't a problem. It turned out to be the final. So it is keying up now. Uh, 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 yeah, 6 watts to about 10. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, it's working now. Kind of dimming. Audio. Audio. Let's see. Audio. Same watts. I don't know why that meter's going up like that, but yeah, that's odd. Still has a bit of a problem now, I guess. So I had that working and it was down. I know there ain't that much static on sideband. And the receive light was working, now it just stopped. Yeah, it still needs a little work, but I got it keying up and stuff. Audio. The most I can get out of it's 10 watts. But that is, I don't know what's causing that. Well, the alarm seems to work. I don't know. I had that to where it was down. Huh. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, well, it is working. That's a Pace 1000B that I've been working on. Burned out final. Clock works. Put a different case cover on it without the hole. Put the old WD on it. Clean it up. It's okay. Chrome's good. If anybody's interested, let me know. Break, break.